Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will take a look at this Amana freestanding gas range. We will show you how to remove and replace your spark electrode. Now, let's begin your repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools needed for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a pair of locking pliers. The main reasons why you'd be replacing an igniter on a burner assembly would be if the igniter is not working, it may not be clicking, but all of the other igniters are clicking, or you can notice that it is clicking, just not pushing a flame out. Now, to access this component, first we'll remove the burner grate, followed by the cap, and set them aside. Now, to remove your burner assembly, first there are 2 Phillips screws that will have to be removed. Next, we will pull up on the burner cap, disattach your igniter wiring, use a pair of locking pliers to grab on to the actual wire so that it does not fall back inside, and just clip it. Now, to remove your igniter, there is 1 Phillips screw that will have to be removed. Remove the screw, remove the igniter, and set your burner assembly aside. When installing your new igniter, we will slide the igniter in. It can only go in one way. So slide that in. You can see the hole here is lined up. First, put the screw in by hand and give it a little twist so that it stays in place. Next, tighten your holding screw. Next, we will grab the wire and release our locking pliers. Slide on the wiring harness onto the igniter terminal. Slide back in our burner assembly and line it up. We will put back in our 2 burner assembly screws. Tighten these down. If these are tight when you're putting it in, back off and maybe put a little bit of 3-in-1 oil on it just so that it slides in perfectly, because if it gets stripped in here, you're going to have a rather large problem, and it's very easy to strip these out. What I find best is when it's right on top, give a counterclockwise turn followed by tightening it down. That way it lines up properly. Reinstall your burner cap, reinstall the grate, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.